Hey class, congratulations, you've made it to Module 8. The course is almost over. This is your final week. For many of you, this is your first course back in school, and so you did it. All right, time to move on to the next one. But first, Module 8. Okay, first things first, discussion board. All right, this week you're going to reflect back on the past 7 weeks. What have you learned? How do you feel better as a student? What strength have you found during this course? And then I want you to look back at your goals and identify one of them, okay? And just discuss this with your classmates, how you're going to accomplish this goal, what steps and what strides you have made towards working towards this goal. So take this time to reflect and let me know what it was that you enjoyed about this course, all right? The other thing this week is a Learn Smart activity, so nothing new here. You've been doing these for the past 6 weeks, 7 weeks, so this is nothing new. All right, it's just those two things for this week. The other thing that I would like you to be on the lookout for is you're going to receive an email with a survey, and this is an assessment of me. And I would really prefer if you could take the time. It'll maybe take less than 5 minutes to fill it out and let me know what you liked about this course and what you feel like I could change or do as an instructor to make this better. Okay, I'm always looking to improve. If there's something you like, let me know. If there's something you didn't like, let me know. And I take your feedback very seriously and I apply it to future terms. So the Learn Smart activity, the discussion board, and if you could take the time to fill out that survey, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, it has been a pleasure working with all of you during these 8 weeks. As always, I will have your discussions or your discussions, yes, and your final paper from Module 7 graded by Wednesday. As always, I'll put up an announcement once it's done. Again, for the Module 7 project, if you want to see the specific feedback for that with the rubric, you're going to need to go to course menu and then assignments. If you just want to see your number grade, then you can just go to the grades for that. Anyways, that's it, and I wish you all the best as you continue on your educational journey. As always, I'm here to help for this final week, and if you need anything beyond this course, I have several students who come back to me. I have done several recommendations for jobs, so let me know. I'm here to help, and I wish you all the best. Have a great week.